Trilby here, and I'll be leading you through a 2-minute dance release. So you can take the feet nice and wide, no props required. Turn the feet out a touch. Inhale, open the arms wide, lift the gaze, big breath in. Exhale, dive forward, rounding the spine. Open up the back, 2 more like that, gliding all the way up. Comb the fingertips through space, melting down and folding. We'll do 1 more just to build a little bit of heat and awareness in the body, all the way up, up, up. And then cascade all the way down. Coming up to stand nice and tall, reaching those arms wide. We'll begin to sway the hips right and left. So massaging the foot into the ground, just get the shoulders moving and grooving here, opening up the sides of the body, and then add in a big sweep of the arm. So no right or wrong way to do this, just opening, expanding to the side waist, giving yourself a little internal massage. And then we'll take those arms long, reaching for the walls, unfurling the upper body, letting the fingertips get involved. Feel that side waist hold you and light up, leaning a little bit deeper for 4, 3, 2. We'll add on big pull and round like you're pulling a rope across your body. Big, big toss, diving down, opening up in between the shoulder blades for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Final piece, step tap. Take those hands to your hips. Take it as deep as you want to go. Maybe add in a big sweep of the arms, cleansing and clearing out. Find that breath. Feel your heart elevate, fluffing up the lungs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go, ground and root, hands to body, chin to chest. Take a full breath in. Let it go. Again, inflate and empty. And then just simmer in all of that energy you've cultivated inside yourself. Thank you for joining me for that 2-minute dance release, and I will see you next time.